Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Today we are going to see 11th max. Already we are doing exercise 1.3 up to 14 problem we have done. Today we are going to see 15th problem. Okay, question number 15 of this one. In this one, the problem only it's lengthy, but solution is very simple and very few steps only is there. Let me discuss this problem. So see, read the question carefully and try to understand that one. That will be the very useful to you. Okay, it's a value based question, so definitely one question will come from this one. So please carefully these 5 questions. See here, the total cost of airfare na bus ticket cost like that we are airfare on a given route is comprised of the base cost C and the fuel cost and the fuel charges. So it is having two things, base cost one, and the next we are having fuel charges. Yes, these two costs in rupees. Both C and S are function of the mileage. Mileage means you know that one how much kilometer will give for per liter. So that's a mileage. C of M, that is base cost, is 0.5 into M plus 50. So fuel charges, how much? 0.03 into M. What they are saying, determine a function for the total cost of a ticket in terms of the mileage, and find the airfare for flying 160 miles. That is the thing is there. So we have, what's the thing? See, we can write base cost is C here, C, and the next one are fuel charges. What's the fuel charge? Surcharges or charges, both are same. Fuel charges is what we are saying, C. Mileage here is M is there. So they have given function C of M equals to what is there? 0.4 M plus 50, and S of M equals to what is there? 0.03 M. That is the thing. So now what they are asking in the question, they are asking total cost. So total cost equals to what will become CM, that is base charge plus surcharges, fuel charges. What is CM here? 0.4 into M plus 50. Okay, and plus here what is the 0.03 M? That is the two charges we are going to take here. Is that clear? So now we need to add this one and write it here. So here it is 0.4 M, here it is a 0.3 M. So I am writing here 0.4 M, here 0.03 M. So add it now, what will come? M as such will come, this is 0 will come here, 0 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 0, 4. So 0.43 M will be there. So here it will become 0.43 M plus 50. So that is your total cost. So I will write T of C, TC I will write total cost. This only they asked. Okay, that we have done, total cost of a ticket in terms of mileage. So T of C of M you can write, because it is in the function of M, so that we can easily understand, right? Okay, the next they are saying for flying 160 miles now. So M equals to what here? 1600. If M is 1600 now, total cost for 1600 miles is, what you will do? 0.43 in place of M, what you write? 1600 plus 50 is that you need to, now you need to multiply. You can see here 2 decimal shifted, now 43 into what will come? 16 will come. So plus 50, I need to multiply, I am doing here. So 43 into 16. So 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 4s are 24, 25. So 43 will come here. You just blank. So 8, this is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6. 688 it's coming. So the value will come as here 688 plus 50 is there. So add it here itself 50. So what you are getting 8 here. So 8 plus 15 is 13 and 738. So therefore how much it will cost now? Rupees 738 rupees will come. If the total cost for finding 1600 miles is here, we are getting this one. Okay, so in this way we need to solve this problem. Is that clear? Okay, so this is one problem. Okay, similarly next problem is that I have written the question because for writing question itself it take time, so that's why I have written here. So next question is this one. So you can see here how they are doing. See here. Now a salesperson, I read the question and then we will discuss this. A salesperson whose annual earning can be represented by the function a of x is what is that? 30,000 plus 0.04x, where x is the rupees value of the merchandise. Okay, what is the meaning of merchandise? Merchandise meanings things which we want to sell. For example, if you are purchasing laptop and selling the laptop, we call it as merchandise. In common word we'll say mall. For fruit seller it's mall means it's what? Fruits. For leather seller mall means shoes. Likewise will come. So that is a technical term. Merchandise means goods which we want to sell. That is the thing. He sells. His son is also in sales and his earnings are represented by the function s of x is what is that? 25,000 plus 0.05 into x. Find a plus s of x and determine the total family income if they each sell rupees 1 crores 50 lakhs worth of merchandise. 1 crores 50 lakhs worth of merchandise. So it is not a value he is selling. How much the merchandise, that is goods he purchased now? 1 crore 50 lakhs product they have collected. So that we need to write here. So I am going to write here the function. Two functions are there. What is here? A of x. What is a of x? 30,000 plus 0.04x. That is a of x. Okay. The next one we are having s of x, sons. So how much is that? 25. Here 25,000 0.05. So it will come 25,000 plus 0.05 x is that. That is the things there here we are having. So now what we are going to find here is a plus of x. So that is ax plus s of x we are going to do. That only we are saying it's, you can see this only we will write as x commonly now. A plus s of x will come. So this is the thing we are having. That only we are writing. You just add it here, simple addition only. 30,000 plus 25,000 is 55,000. Okay. Plus 0.4, 0.09 x will be the a of x. So this is over. And determine the total family income they are saying. So here what they are saying now, if the worth is how much they have taken, 1 crores 50 lakhs. So 1 crores 50 lakhs now. Here x value is what? 1 crores 50 lakhs. Here it's coming 1 crore 50 lakhs the x value. So you just substitute in this one. That is a plus s of x function is what we are having. 55,000 plus 0.09 x is there. So now in place of x, a plus s of x place what you are going? 1 crores 50 lakhs. If you are substituting now, what you will get here? Here it will come 55,000 plus 0.09 into 1 crores 50 lakhs. That's the thing we are going to get it. So now we need to multiply this one. So see here 2 zeros. So leave this 2 0. I'm calculating here 1 5 double. I will write 1 crore 50 lakhs as such. You are going to multiply by 9, not 2 0. You leave it because here 2 after decimal 2. So that's why you leave it. So this is not in our part. 2 0 I have cut it. 9 0 0 0 0 0. 9 5 is 45 4 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So how much we are getting here? 3 zeros and this now 13 lakhs 50,000. So it will come 55,000 plus 13 lakhs 50,000. Okay, that is the things we are getting. Is it clear? Now we need to add this one. You add it here. So here it's coming 55,000. You add it here. So 0 0 0 bracket 5 0 1 and then 4. So it will come 14 lakhs 5,000. It's coming 14 lakhs 5,000 we are getting. That's the value. That is rupees we are getting. The total family income is what? Total family, here it's visible, total family income is how much we are getting? This is 14 lakhs 5,000 rupees we are getting. So in this way we need to calculate. The problem is so simple. Only the thing is we need to write the functions and respective part. Is it clear? Okay. So now we are going to do one more problem in a similar way. It's all so simple only. If you little bit focus on it now, you can get score very well. You will think the problem is big. It's question only is big. The answer is very so simple. You can see here. Here you carefully see. This is an interesting question. Is that you can see here. What's that one? The function for exchanging American dollar for Singapore dollar. So American dollar for Singapore dollar on a given day is f of x equal to 1.23. I will write here American dollars to Singapore dollar. For understanding purpose I am writing dollar is how much. If the function is given, f of x is 1.23 x is that. That is the thing that x represent in the American dollar. Here x is the American dollar. Okay, x is the American dollar. So that you keep it in mind. They have given number of American dollars on them. On the same day, the function for exchanging Singapore dollar to Indian rupees. Here it is what? Singapore dollar to Indian rupee. So we are exchanging Singapore dollar to Indian rupee. They have given the question. You can say on the same day the function for exchanging Singapore dollar to Indian rupees is given by g of y. G of y, what that they have given here, you can see here the function is 50.50y. So that's the value. So it's given as where y represent the number of Singapore dollars, right? Okay, this is the thing. So they have given American dollar to Singapore dollar is one question, Singapore dollar to Indian rupee is another function. Two functions are given. I have written here. Now what they're asking, write a function which will give the exchange rate of American dollar in terms of Indian rupees. So American dollar in terms of Indian rupees. So straight away they are coming from here to here. So I want to write now AM, American dollar to Singapore dollar to Indian currency, Indian rupee we can say. In this way it's going, which means f of g. So f of circle g of x we need to find. That is the question actually. Okay, we convert now composite function. So that is f of g of x is that. That is we are going to find. What is the g of x here? 50 point in terms of y is there. So carefully, it's not an issue. In terms of y is there and in terms of x is there. So we are going to write the same. Okay, so we are going to write the same things. We are going to write in this way. F circle g you can find, or g circle f of x you will find, because American dollar first and then it will convert to Singapore, then Singapore dollar. That's why either you have to do f circle g na Indian to it will turns to America. So So that's why we need to find, leave this one, we need to find G circle of f of x we need to find. So therefore you can see here G of f of x, what the value you are getting here. So G f of x function is what, 1.23x. 1.23x we are getting. So after that one you can see G is what, G of y now 50.5y. So 50.50 into y, in place of y, here y is there, y you wrote, but in place of here y, what is that, 1.23 x is there, so 1.23 x you write. So in this way we are getting this one. So now you just, this is the G of f of x, isn't it or not? Now you just multiply and write the value. What's that one? So 50.5, that 0 leave it. So 1.23 you just multiply. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 will come, and then this is 2 5s are 10, 0 1 and 2 5s are 10, here it will come, and the next one multiply now 5 0 5 will come. So add it 5 1 10 plus 1 11 2, and then this is 6 will come. So this in this way. So after decimal 1 number, after decimal 2, totally 3. So that's why it's coming 62.115. So the answer is 62.115, and x will be as such, x will come, because it is in terms of this 2 number only have multiply, have kept this one. So this is the conversion if you want to convert American dollar into Indian rupees. This is the things, right? Okay, so keep it in mind, this one, its problem is simple, only the thing is understanding it's very important. Okay, next question is there, another question. So what's the 18th question is here, it's interesting. You can see here the owner of a small restaurant can prepare a particular meal at a cost of rupees 100. Here rupees 100 rupees he is preparing. He estimate that if the menu price of the meal is x, menu price rupees is what, x. He is preparing for x, but he is selling for x rupees. Preparing is x, 100 rupees. Selling is what, x rupees. That is menu. We can say menu rupees now, which we are going to say. Okay, the number of customer, next one, the number of customer who will order that meal at that price in an evening is given by the function. So this is order, or number of purchase, that is d of x is 200 minus x is that is the thing there, 200 minus x, d of order. Express his daily revenue. First question, revenue, total cost. They are saying total cost, and next they are profit on this meal as a function of x. We need to write it here. So first we need to find so that I have written here total cost, number of this thing. Day revenue means day revenue. First question is day revenue, right? Day revenue means what? How much he is selling? How much order is 200 minus x is the order. He is selling for what? How much rupees? X rupees. That one you know. For example, 1 pen is 5 rupees now. You are selling. If x people are getting now 5 into x. Same thing here. How many person are order now? 200 minus x. What is the cost price now? X. So that's why it's 200 minus x into x will come. That is day revenue. The next one is total cost. Here you can write total cost. Total cost now for preparing how much now? How much order is there? 200 minus x. How much is preparing? 100 rupees will be preparing. That's why it's coming here 100. Here day revenue now. Totally how much we will collect there? Rupees is x. So that's why 200 minus into x into x. Total cost is 200 minus x into 100 will come. That is the things we are getting here. The next one, we are going to find the profits Profit is nothing but what? Revenue minus cost. That is how much we are getting, how much we took. So that's mean here 200 minus x into x minus here 200 minus x into 100 will come. That is the thing that we can stop. You want simplify it. Commonly 200 minus x, 200 minus x. So 200 minus x into commonly you are taken. Now what's the left here? X, and here it is what left? Minus 100. That is the thing will come. That is the profit in terms of x we have written. That's the thing. So here what are the things is that unite? What is the day revenue, total cost, profit that you need to prepare and write. Is it clear? Okay. So next one. Next question. It's simple only. So easy. You can see here the formula for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature is given by y equal to 5x by 9 minus 160 by 9. Then find the inverse of the function. What they are asking? Find the inverse. Function is here inverse. Determine whether the inverse is also function or not, they are asking. So what the function here? F of x only we are saying it's a y. So y is what here? 5x by 9 minus 160 by 9 is that. That is the thing they have done. Find inverse now. Y in terms of x is there, right? Y in terms of x. Now you need to write x in terms of y. That is y equal to 5x minus 160 by 9. Commonly I can write because 9 is common denominator. Bring this 9 to that side. 9y equals to what we are getting? 5x minus 160. Minus 160 come this side now, plus 160. So 5x value is this is coming. Then x value what we are getting? 9y plus 160 divided by 5 is coming. Or we can write x equals to 9y plus 160 by 5 you are getting. This is your inverse function. Inverse function now, how you can write it? Means in terms of f inverse of x you write. I am adjacent, I am writing. F inverse of x is same. F inverse of x is what you are going to write? 9y. In place of 9y x you write it. That's it. 160 by 5. This is the inverse function. Required inverse. You can write it here. Okay. Now we need to say it's inverse or not. See, for all value of x belongs to real number, f inverse exists. Exists only, no? There exists f inverse. Isn't it or not? So for any value substituted, the inverse will exist. That's why it is what you can. Yes, it is a function. Yes, it is a function. Okay, these two lines you added. Why there? Because they are asking whether the inverse is also a function, they are saying. So that's why you need to write. F inverse of x is what is here? 9x plus 160 by 5 is that. That is the required inverse. We have converted. But you put any value here x, the value of this function will exist. When it will turn to non-defined, denominator x should be there, then only it will turn to infinite. There is no in denominator. So for any value it will exist. That's why we are saying it's a inverse will exist. For all x belongs to real number, there exists f inverse of x. Yes, it therefore it is, yes, it is a function. We can write it here. The next one. Next we have this question. A small keeper takes a number and code it using the function f of x equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, that is the thing they are saying. You can see here. So function is given. What do you mean by cipher? Cipher is nothing but a secret way of writing a code. Okay, it's we can say it's a secret way of writing code. We are send some secrets to someone means they will have some that kind of coding. That's why they have written here codes and numbers. Some secret way of talking between two persons. Usually in armies they will follow. So here the function is f of x is given 3x minus 4. What they are asking, find the inverse. What they are asking, find the inverse of this function. So first thing is inverse, and determine whether the inverse is also a function, and verify the symmetrical property about the line y equal to x. They are saying Also verifying the symmetrical property about the line they are saying. Finding inverse is so simple, easily we can calculate here. I am writing here. First thing inverse we will find. F of x equal to what is that? 3x minus 4. That is y equal to 3x minus 4 is that is y plus 4 equals to what you are getting? 3x minus 4 is going that side now. Then x value what will come? Y plus 4 divided by 3 will come. This is inverse. That you can write here as f inverse of x is nothing but y plus 4, you write it here x plus 4 by 3. This is the thing is that. Okay. Whether here next question is what? Whether the inverse is also function. See, for all x belongs to R, there exists f inverse of x, isn't it or not? Any value you substitute it, definitely what will come? The answer will come for this function, isn't it or not? Anything you substitute, answer will come. That's why it is, yes, it is function. Okay, that you keep it in mind. Yes, it is a function. Yes, so we got it. Second question is over. Okay, is also a function. They are asking find the inverse of the function. Next, determine whether the inverse is also a function or not. The next one, what they are saying, verify the symmetrical property about the line they are saying. Symmetrical property about line is nothing but what we need to do. Y equal to x they are getting or not now. Simple thing. This is what you have taken is you take as y. Okay. What's the function? F of x. This two only we are going to do. So I'll write here f of x equal to what you are getting? 3x minus 4. Is it? Now in place of x you write this one. So f of y plus 4 by 3. That is nothing but 3 into y plus 4 by 3 minus x will come, isn't it or not? So this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. We are getting y plus 4 minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Now y you are getting. Okay, we have taken f of x and we got the y value. So in this way you can write. Or you put this one, you will get the same thing will come. Okay. So in place of y you write this itself, x plus 4. In terms of x plus 4 you write. So everything will come x. Here x will come. This is f of y. So y equal to x will come. That is the thing. For you can leave like this, or you want to write now, instead of using this one you use this one. So this is x will come. So here x will come. Here also x will come. Here also x. Whenever you take f of that is y. So this will come y equal to x. In this way you can write it here. You want change it or you can leave it up. It's not an issue. Okay. So by this way we have completed 1.3. Inshallah next class we will see the 1.4 and 1.5. Okay, one class I have missed. Inshallah upcoming classes we will do that one also. Thank you, and complete homework and classwork submit me individually. Thank you.